Are you looking for an AI tool that can turn your videos and audio into text while making editing super easy? Well, today, we're putting two big names head-to-head, Clipto AI versus Descript, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the right fit for you. Let's start with Clipto AI. This tool is simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful. What makes Clipto special is that it processes everything right on your computer, so your data stays private and secure. You just upload your video or audio, and within minutes, you'll get a clean transcript with each speaker separated. And here's the cool part. You can edit your video just by editing the text. For beginners, that's a game changer. Now, let's talk about Descript. Descript is pretty popular among creators. On top of transcription and text-based video editing, it comes loaded with advanced features like overdub voice cloning, multi-track editing, and tons of tools that podcasters and YouTubers love. But with all those features, it does take more time to learn, and it comes at a higher price point compared to Clipto. So which one should you choose? If you're a student, an office worker, or someone who just wants quick transcripts and easy, secure editing, Clipto AI is perfect for you. But if you're a content creator looking for advanced features and full creative control, then Descript might be the better choice. Both tools are amazing. It really depends on what you need. I've dropped the links to both down in the description, so go try them out and see which one works best for you. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. I'll be back with more awesome AI tools to help you save time, work smarter, and even create new opportunities for yourself. I'll see you in the next video.